Who loves cupcakes?
I do!
Awesome! We're celebrating fall by making pumpkin spice cupcakes. BriBri, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a baker.
Awesome! Well, welcome to BriBri's kitchen. We're going to be baking up some pumpkin spice cupcakes.
My favorite recipe.
Your favorite recipe. What you'll need is pumpkin spice cake mix, a can of pumpkin, some cute cupcake liners. For the frosting, you'll need cream cheese, a few cups of powdered sugar, butter, and vanilla extract. Also, Brianna, what do we have today to decorate our cupcakes?
Today we got pumpkin candy.
Ooh, awesome. All right, let's get this all opened up and into the bowls. Are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, Brianna, are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to begin with cake mix into the bowl.
Everybody give you the whole thing
The whole bag.
Cause
We're going to make a lot of cupcakes for our family who's coming over tonight.
and it's my cousin too, because she's my best cousin ever.
Next, 1 cup of water.
1 cup of water coming right up.
Whoop. Now we need that pumpkin puree.
Pumpkin puree coming right up.
Mmm, that's a beautiful orange color, just like the fall. We're gonna scoop it in with our plastic spatula. Next, we need our 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
Let's get to cracking. Egg number 2, crack it. Woo! What an egg mess.
But it's okay, everybody. I can wash my hands after this.
That's right, we're gonna wash our hands. And egg number 3.
Woo!
Woo! And the last ingredient is the oil.
Everybody, this is gonna be oil sticky today.
Ooh, it's gonna be yummy.
Whee!
Now that we have all our ingredients in the bowl, we have to mix it. We have an electric hand mixer. All children should be supervised by an adult if using one of these. Brianna, are you ready? Yes.
Yes!
We're gonna mix this for 2 minutes. Ooh, that is a beautiful orange pumpkin color. Isn't that pretty?
Yes!
And now it's time to place our mixture into the cupcake liners. Let's line those cupcakes with our beautiful fall-inspired cupcake liners. We're gonna do 2 batches of 6 cupcakes in BriBri's special mini oven. Now let's fill them up with the cake mixture. Scoop it up, BriBri. Woo! That's a big scoop. And into the cupcake liner. Ooh, that looks delicious. We're going to finish lining these up and then we're going to place them in the oven. And we're putting them in the oven. Mmm, smells like pumpkin.
Because it is pumpkin, everybody, because this is called pumpkin cake.
All right, we're going to turn it on. The other one to the right. Other direction. And it's set on bake. And push start. Next, let's make our frosting. Now it's time to make our yummy cream cheese frosting. First, we'll need a stick of butter. Ooh, it's kind of sticky. Inside the bowl. Next, we'll need a block of cream cheese. Now we need our vanilla extract. Smells wonderful. And we're going to begin mixing it and slowly adding in our powdered sugar. Yummy! Alright, we'll be right back. We're going to start. Our cream cheese mixture is done. So we're ready to place the frosting inside of this large piping bag with large frosting tip. We're going to place the bag inside of the cup and then slowly place the edges of the bag over the cup so we can put our frosting inside easier. Are you getting a taste of that cream cheese frosting?
Yes.
How's it taste?
Good.
The cupcakes are out of the oven. They've cooled a few minutes on the cooling rack. And now it's time to frost them. Are you ready, BriBri?
Yes.
Alright. We have the large piping bag full of cream cheese frosting. Squeeze gently from the top. Squeeze until all the frosting comes out. That looks yummy. How's it coming, Brianna? And they are all frosted. Very nice. We'll place our frosting bag back in the cup. Those look yummy, and I wish you guys were here to smell it. It smells delicious. Now it's time to
decorate. For candy pumpkins for fall.
Oh, that's perfect to decorate our pumpkin spice cupcakes. That looks pretty. Perfect for the fall. Very nice. Well, thank you for joining us today in BriBri's kitchen. We've had a great time with you. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I hope you had fun in my kitchen.
Chef BriBri, what are you doing over here?
I am eating some pumpkins.
Let's see your jacket. Can you show it to us? Oh, you have some mixing spoons.
Yes. So I can mix. I have this, like the kids always have this, and a spoon too.
And a spoon. And how about your measuring spoons? Can we see those? That is a neat jacket.
Thank you. And also it has a little cup, a medium cup, and a medium cup, and a grande.
A grande. I think those are teaspoons, but thank you for your interpretation.
And I got my name tag.
Name tag. Wow, that is a cool chef's jacket. And what's on your head?
A chef's hat.
Well, you enjoy eating your candies. Happy fall!
Happy fall to you too.